Dry guard S container desiccant. Usage instructions. Step 1. Container inspection. Check whether the container has no damage. Side walls, top, and floor. Humidity inspection of the container wood floor. Do not use container with wood floor humidity over 20%. Step 2. Seal air vents. Open the carton. Pick the printed adhesive sheets from the carton. Seal all air vents on the container wall. Step 3. Hang dry guard S up on the iron rings of the container wall. Dosage. Use 4 to 6 pieces for a 20 feet container, 8 to 12 pieces for a 40 feet container, and 14 pieces for a 40 high cube container. Take dry guard S out from the carton and hang on the iron rings. Hang the quantity according to the size of the container. Note: always hang one strip each on both sides close to the container door. Cover and seal the remaining for storage. Step 4. Load the cargo into the container. Step 5. Close container doors tightly and put the seal.
TOPSORB. Dry quality.